Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up Netflix games on Smart TV. Setting up Netflix games on your Smart TV is very simple. You just need the Netflix app, a stable network connection, and your phone to use as a controller. This guide will help you get started quickly and easily. First, install or update Netflix on your Smart TV. Then, your phone will automatically connect as the controller. If the connection fails, restart both devices and check the internet speed. Also, make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store, search for the apps, and make sure they are updated to the latest versions. Next, ensure that your Netflix subscription includes game features and your region supports Netflix games on TV. Without this, games option may not appear on your device. Then, update the app regularly for best results. Now you can enjoy Netflix games on your app on your smart TV easily. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide. You can also try restarting router for better connection stability. Enjoy smooth gaming experience and now explore all games available on Netflix.